Hello, Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers. The Middle-earth Collector, Alpha Price here. Welcome to another video. Today I have Lord Elrond at Dol Guldur. I would like to show you, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. And here is the art box first. I will show you this. This is the front. And the side. The back. Likeness of Hugo so far, and just on the box is pretty spot on there. And the other side. And back to the front. Now let's open this big bad boy up. So this is what it looks like after you open it up. You can see the base at the bottom, you get the body, and the head and hands you put all together. So once I get this all unboxed here and or put together, I will show you. I'll show you the bottom of the base and all that. So here we go. And here's the bottom of the base. It has been sculpted by Gary Hunt, and this is number 1187 out of 1500. Flip this over. I imagine that's the front of the base there. Just the basic base. Now let's put it together. So I got it out of the box, and this is what it looks like all set up. And yeah, no, this is a beautiful statue. Love his portrait. Pretty much like bang on with Hugo Weaving. It is just awesome. I love this. Love his armor. It's very cool. I love all the colors of the armor. Like the reds, the golds, and all that. Love the chainmail on it. Beautiful. This is awesome. And just to show you, this piece here goes in. You get that separately. And then this piece down here, there's a piece that comes out right here. This piece here that you stick in. And the head goes on as well. Love the detail of the hair as well. Pretty cool. But the big thing of this statue is the armor and the flowness of his cape. And this is when he's fighting the ring race up on Dol Guldur. And his cape is huge. It goes back quite a ways here. It's really, really cool. And there's his chainmail again. And then you can see this is Hadafang here. His sword, which then in Lord of the Rings he passes off to Arwen. There we go. Look at, oh. too far. Pretty cool. There's his portrait there again. And then his headband. Some close-ups of his armor. Very, very cool. And this right here, I broke off because I tried putting pegging in his feet here. Because you can see on this back foot, this peg in the front is kind of pointed in. I don't know what happened there. Like I can get that peg in the back in the hole, and then this peg going in the hole here is like angled in or something here, and then this foot here goes in there. And when I would get this foot in the back, then you can see on this front left foot here, you can see the white scuff mark here. See that white scuff mark? That's where that foot would end up once I get this back foot in. So I don't know what happened there, but I'm happy where it is. So I got the statue. I'm happy with it and everything overall. Just it got a little frustrating to try to put it in, but I tried. But and look on the detailness of his boots here, pretty darn cool. And the detailness of the gold piece under here, that's really cool too. And his hands here. You can see the veins in his hand, which is kind of cool. And then his scabbard, yep. I like the scabbard that he's wearing here. This is overall a really, really nice piece. I really like this one. That's why I really wanted this one. And I'm gonna put this with my other three that I have. The Galadriel and Gandalf and Saruman up on Dol Guldur. So I'm gonna put all these four together. So yeah, no, this is a beautiful statue. And I'm glad I got this one. And yeah, just absolutely love this. This is such a nice statue. I can't say it enough. And I'll show you one more time his portrait here. Yeah, just beautiful. This is a cool statue. Comment down below what you guys think of these pegs on the feet here. I could have been doing something wrong here. I don't know. And yeah, like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. I got lots of more videos coming up, so stay tuned. Bye now.